Now let's recommend a newest USB cable in 2016. It is Apple Lightning iOS and micro Android USB cable 2-in-1. Data transmit and charging USB cable. It is high-speed transmission, 2.5 and faster charger. Let's see the detail. The material is Zinc alloy design. You can see it as Zinc alloy design. This material, it is flexible mechanical house. You can switch it if would go. Right? It is stainless steel. See the detail now. It is 8 pins Apple Lightning iOS design. Can charge your iPhone 5, 5S, 6, 6S, 7, 7S and plus. Design for iOS micro USB design. Can charge your Samsung S3, S4, S5, S6, 6 edit, S7, 7 edit and plus. The USB-A header, it is positive and negative, both side interpolation. 1, 2. You can find the USB cable on Amazon.com. Please reset to the BAIYEA on Amazon.com or UK Amazon or Japanese Amazon. Says BAIYEA. Now you can buy this USB cable